Welcome you all to the video laboratory series. I am Professor Amit Kumar Patil from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, School of Engineering and Sciences, MIT Art Design and Technology, University Pune. Today we'll perform the experiment from the subject Electronics Simulation and Electronic Circuits Laboratory. The title of the experiment is Electronic Modeling and Simulation of an Arithmetic Circuit and Data Selector Circuit. So let us come to the practical implementation of the circuit on the suitable simulation software like Multisim. Let us come to the practical implementation. So first we will design the half adder circuit. After that we will come for the multiplexer. So go to the place, in place, click on component. Here in all groups, we have to go to the source group. In the source group, go to the power sources and from here select DC power and put it here in the circuit. Next, after DC power source, go to the basics. In the basics, here you will find switch is given. Click on the switch. From here you can select any switch, select this switch and click on OK. Put it here in the circuit. Again select one more switch. Put it here in the circuit. Also go to the sources. In the sources here you will find the ground option is written. Select the ground. Put it here. After this we will go for the logic gates. So go to the all groups and here you have to search for the IC number. Okay. So first we will require 7486. So search here exclusive OR gate 7486. So here you will get the IC. Click on OK and put it here in the circuit. This is IC 7486. Next, after this, put here cancel. Click here cancel. Okay, otherwise again same IC will be selected. Now next is AND gate. AND gate IC number is 7408. So click on OK. From here select A and keep it here and then cancel. After this we require the indicators. So here you will get the indicators. Indicator option is written here. In the indicators, here you have to go and from here you have to select digital probe red. Digital probe red or of any other color you can select as an indicator. Click on OK and put the indicators in the circuit. One more indicator is required. So assemble it here in the circuit. All components are chosen. Close the window. Connect it. Connect both the switches. Supply will be connected to the switches. This is A. Double click here on A, another A and make it B. These are our two inputs. Click on OK. So one is A, another is B. So for exclusive OR gate, A is connected and B is connected to exclusive OR gate. So it will give the sum as the output. For AND gate, again, first input is A, another input will be B. Okay. So A and B are connected to AND gate. So it will give the output carry, that is A dot B. Exclusive OR gate will give A exclusive, that is A bar B plus AB bar. Okay. Done. Now after this, from here we have to run the simulation. Both the switches are open means 0 0. Input is 0 0. LEDs are not glowing means output is also 0 0. Now 0 1. So here you can see exclusive OR gate output is glowing, means 1, AND gate is not glowing, 0. So 0 1, sum is 1, carry 0. Now 1 0, 1 0 again, sum is 1, carry is 0. And finally 1 1. So for 1 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. So we have verified the truth table of the half adder circuit. So this is the practical implementation of half adder. Understood? Now let us come to the second circuit, which is the multiplexer circuit. So here in this circuit, I will do some changes and make the circuit for the multiplexer. Okay. So here I will do some changes. So for multiplexer, we require one selection line and two inputs. Okay. One selection line and two inputs are required. So according to that, okay. So one more switch we will take. So this is one more switch. Okay. These are the three switches. Now we have to connect the three switches. So connect them. Connect the three switches. Positive of the supply will be given to the switch. Okay. This side we have done. Now what is required? One selection line S. So this is S1. Double click on S1. Go to the label and replace it by S. This is the selection line S. Double click on S2 and here write D0. So this is the input D0. Double click on S3 and make it D1. So one selection line S and two inputs D0 and D1. Okay. Now what gates we require? What are the gates required? So first gate is NOT gate. So first gate is the NOT gate. So from here go to the place component and go to the all groups, and here we will search for the NOT gate IC number. NOT gate is 7404. Click on OK. Select A from here and put it here in the circuit. This is the NOT gate. Cancel. Next, one more gate is required, that is the OR gate 7432. So 7432, this is the IC number. Click on OK. Select A from here and now cancel. So S will be connected to the NOT gate. Output of the NOT gate will be S bar. Next we require AND gate. Okay, two AND gates are required. So these are the two AND gates. S bar dot D0. So this S bar is connected to one input of AND gate, and this D0 line is also connected to the AND gate. Okay, and here what you want? S dot D1. So S is what? S is before the NOT gate. Before the NOT gate it is S. After the NOT gate it is S bar. And D1. So this is the D1 line. Here we have to connect the D1 line. Okay, understood? And here we have to connect the OR gate. Okay. Now here both are connected. S bar dot D0 and S dot D1. Now OR gate will do the addition. So S bar D0 plus S dot D1. And here we have to put the LED as an indicator. Okay. All done. Now here first we'll open all the switches. And now here run simulation. So selection line is 0. Open means 0. So out of D0 and D1, which is selected? D0 is selected. Okay, so D0 is 0, output is 0, D0 is 1, output is 1. D1 is not selected, so even if we change the value, make it 0, 1, nothing will happen. Now selection line is 1, which is selected, D0 or D1? D1 is selected. So D1 is 0, output is 0, D1 is 1, output is 1. Okay, D0 is not selected, so even if we open or close it, nothing will happen. So this shows the practical implementation of a multiplexer circuit. Thank you.